I am Malovi Day, your GK teacher. Today I have come with the third chapter of your section A, that is India, our country. And the chapter's name is The Seven Sisters. We all should know about the Seven Sisters. The Seven Sisters are the seven states of our India. Northeast India is the easternmost region of India, representing both a geographic and political administrative division of the country. It comprises 8 states: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. Now children, you have heard that I have said the 8 states. Just now I told 8 states. It comprises 8 states. But now we are talking about 7 sisters. So first of all, we will know about the 7 sisters, how the name is derived, how the name 7 sisters is derived. The name is derived from 7 elms. Elms are the deciduous trees, a kind of deciduous trees. Okay children, so the name is derived from 7 elms which were planted in a circle with a walnut tree at their center on an area of a common land known as Page Green. The clump was known as 7 Sisters. So we call these states 7 Sisters. But children, you must have heard now that I have told the names of 8 states and not 7 states. So children, Sikkim is not included in 7 sisters. Geographical reason is that the northeast India is commonly described as land of 7 sisters because of their interdependence upon each other. On the other hand, Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the peripheral northeast region. So Sikkim is called the brother of 7 sisters, and Sikkim is not included in the 7 sisters. Out of the 8 states, only 7 states are called the 7 sisters, and Sikkim is the only brother of the 7 sisters. So children, now we will come to the exercise in our book. Okay. Now children, we will do the exercise of your book. Chapter 3, the 7 sisters, and the page number is 6. So here in your exercise, it is the fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these states. The 7 states that lie in the northeastern region of India are called the 7 sisters, as I have explained earlier about 7 sisters. Okay, now the first one is, this is one of the largest states of the northeast region of India in terms of area. Now children, you can see some missing letters are there. So we have to fill in these missing letters and complete the state's name. So the first answer is Arunachal Pradesh. I will write it down on the board. Okay. The first one is Arunachal Pradesh. A-R-U-N-A. Aruna, C-H-A-L. Arunachal Pradesh. P-R-A-D-E-S-H. Pradesh. This will be your first missing letter. Now the second one. The second one is, the ancient kingdom of Pragjyotisha is believed to have existed in this state. This state also has a number of national parks. And the answer to this is Assam. That is A-S-S-A-M. Now, the third one. The name of this state means the land of gems. Children, you all know gems. What do you mean by gems? Gems are precious stones. So, you can guess from this the name of the third state. It is Manipur. Okay. So, write right. The right answer is Manipur. Manipur. Now the fourth one. Fourth one is Mawsynram. Greatest place on earth is located in this state, and the answer to this is Meghalaya. Write down, children. Meghalaya. Now we come to the fifth one. Sero is the state animal of this member of the Seven Sisters. Sero is the state animal of this member of the Seven Sisters. And the answer to this is Mizoram. Fifth one is Mizoram. The sixth one is Mount Saramati that separates India from Myanmar is located in this state. Once again I will repeat it. Mount Saramati that separates India from Myanmar is located in this state. And the answer to this is Nagaland. So sixth one is Nagaland. Now the seventh one. This is one of the smallest state of India in terms of area. It attained full statehood in 1972. And the answer is Tripura. Write down, children. Tripura. 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 So, we have done with your exercise of chapter 3. These are all the seven sisters of our India. Okay.